What up, y'all? Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can record the output audio coming out of your Cubase 14 DAW while you make use of OBS. For some reasons, you cannot record the audio coming out of Cubase 14 with OBS because Cubase 14 tends to hijack the drivers that OBS is supposed to listen to transmit your audio. But I'm going to show you how to bypass that right away. I decided to make this tutorial because at some point this was a very huge challenge for me, but I found a way around it and I thought I should share this video to help someone out there. This is going to be the first video on my channel. I'm going to share videos on mixing and mastering vocals. So if that's something that you're interested in, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is type ReaStream. ReaStream is a stock plugin from Reaper. It's part of their free bundle that they have on their website. So this is their website, www.reaper.fm. Now you're just going to click on the website and then you're going to download the 64-bit version of the plugins. When you click on this, it's going to start downloading. I already have it downloaded in my computer. Run it in your computer, agree, and just follow all the steps. Now I'm going to deselect all of these plugins because I don't need them. But if you need them, you can leave them. For now, we just need ReaStream and I'm just going to deselect the rest. This is what we have. I'm just going to click on next and then install. After it's installed, I'm going to have it in my computer. And the next thing you want to do is go to Cubase 14. Now I'm going to play this audio in Cubase 14 and you're going to see that we are unable to transmit the audio. You see, it's playing right now, but we cannot hear anything. So we're going to fix that right away in Cubase 14. Now, the first thing you want to do is to go to your master channel and input the plugin that you have just downloaded. How do you do this? Your master channel in Cubase 14 is stereo out. That's most certainly the last channel in your mix console. Okay, so you want to go there and then input the plugin. The name of the plugin is ReaStream, so you type that to search for it. And then you click on the plugin. You're just going to do two basic things when the plugin opens up. You're going to click on send and then you're going to change this to local broadcast. Now close that and go to OBS. When you go to your OBS, the first thing you want to do is create a source. Okay, you go to sources, click on this plus icon and then click on audio output capture. Save it with whatever you want. I'm just going to use ReaStream for now. When this window opens up, you're going to select your audio interface. And for me, mine is Focusrite. I'm just going to select that and then click on OK. Click on filters. And when this window opens up, you click on the plus icon and then click on VST2 plugin. And you can just name this anything. I'm going to name it Cubase for now. Okay. Now, the next thing you want to do is select the plugin in this window. The plugin is just down below, ReaStream standalone. As you can see here, OBS is already receiving the audio from Cubase 14. Okay, so you don't need to touch anything here. Just close this and then go back to Cubase 14. Cubase 14 can now transmit the audio because you have the plugin in your master channel and then you have it in OBS as well. So let's listen to that.
They need to be reminded, everything that I provided, I be the teacher until I learned my lesson.
I hope you found this helpful. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I put out a new video. See you on the next one.